County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cashtown, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waynesboro, Gettysburg, Carroll Valley, Fayetteville, Wayne Heights, Mont Alto, Scotland, Rouseville, Cashtown, Ortana, Arentsville, and Fairfield. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 19 to 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Ashland and Mangalia around 3:10 p.m. Hanover around 3:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Cowell, Burrs Corner, Globe, Hanover Airport, Doswell, Green Fork, Panola, Hipworth, and Edna Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Richmond, Chesterfield County, the Colonial Heights, the city of Hopewell, the northeastern city of Petersburg, southeastern Gooch Lund County, Henrico County, southwestern Caroline County, Hanover County, northwestern King William County, southeastern Powhatan County, until 4 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mangalia to near Montpelier, moving south at 40 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for the Richmond metro and surrounding areas. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Randolph-Macon College around 3:15 p.m. Mechanicsville, Windham, Studley, and Laurel around 3:25 p.m. Richmond, Tuckahoe, East Highland Park, and Lakeside around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Highland Springs, Virginia Union University, Virginia Commonwealth University, and Mannequin around 3:35 p.m. Bonaire, University of Richmond, and downtown Richmond around 3:40 p.m. Bellwood and Bentley around 3:45 p.m. Chester around 3:50 p.m. Moseley around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Enfield, Richmond Heights, Gumtree, Johnson Springs, Elmont, Etna Mills, Montrose, Petersburg National Battlefield, Sandston, and Epworth.
Resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penrose, McCandless Township, Cranberry, Franklin Park, Shallow Township, Hampstead Township, Pecan, O'Hare Township, and Westwood. Precautionary/preparedness actions for your protection. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 41262-1988 into the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at NWSBITCSBURGH.
Central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, Clark County in northwestern Virginia, northern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, the northeastern city of Winchester in northwestern Virginia, Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia, eastern Berkeley County in the panhandle of West Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Williamsport to near Brunswick, moving southwest at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Winchester, Martinsburg, Charlestown, Shepherdstown, Purcellville, Brunswick, Ranson, Berryville, Inwood, Round Hill, Harpers Ferry, Corporation of Ranson, Kearneysville,
Russia, for their energy supplies, because they gave in to their climate alarmists, environmentalists. Now, we've since have found out, guess who is funding these environmental extremists to get to the situation? Vladimir Putin and Russia. They did it knowing they'd make money if they caved to these environmental nutcases. And they did. Anyway, so now, Friday, Russia reduced natural gas deliveries by half to Italy. Slovakia cut off France entirely, making a third consecutive day of gas reductions. Doing the same thing now. The growing confrontation between Moscow.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Warren County, northwestern Clinton County, southwestern Greene County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Xenia, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Xenia, Wilmington, Bellbrook, Wilberforce, New Jasper, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Bowersville, Port William, Centerville, Paintersville, Bloomington, Lumberton, Middleton Corner, Mount Holly, Roxana, Oakland, Old Town, Ogden, and Kingman. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 43 and 59.
4:30 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Sunset Beach, 437 miles east of Niagara River, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Sunset Beach and Hamlin Beach. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.